Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to iPad mini. Begin by opening Play Store on Samsung and App Store on iPad. Then download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to tap on whatever you want to in the first pop-up about tracking. Then you need to hit Allow Full Access in Photos 1 and whatever you want to in all the other ones. On Samsung though, select I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue and allow. Then whatever you want to in all the other pop-ups. Now it's time to select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive over here under Send on iPad. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up, and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Wait, and if it doesn't work, you need to reopen your app because QR code scanner is sometimes buggy. If it doesn't work at all, just close your app completely and open it again. Select whatever you want to in this pop-up. Then OK or Cancel in Notification 1. Hit Receive and connect thanks to this code. Now choose Receive and wait. Select whatever you want to in this pop-up.
Ever had a question? Or like a million questions? Especially whilst browsing online? Then you gotta check out the Opera browser. Now with your AI assistant. So you can get answers instantly, directly inside your browser. Download Opera with AI.
Then close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!